What is up, guys? Today we're going to be opening a package. What I have here is a pair of grips, and I actually just came back from a ride. The rig is filthy, as you guys can see. Nice and dirty. Right now I'm running these here. Those are the Sensus and Drail concrete. This is the boss. And I also ran the Swayze lights a couple years ago when we first started building at the farm, and absolutely love those grips. So I decided today to try a set of the Swayze lock-ons. Figured I'd try them out, see how they feel, see what we got. So I like these. Okay, so here we go. Yeah, wow, dude, these feel friggin' awesome. Let's open these up. See what we got. Got our caps, our bolts, here, and then we got our grips. And we have our grips, the lock rings, Sensus end caps, which are bomb, bolts, and the packaging. So, to the rig. Let's see what we got. Yeah. So we're looking at the same length as the This is the Boss, which is pretty sweet. That means I don't have to move nothing on here. Lock ends, you don't have to go crazy with them. Ray from Sensus had this little tip. Boom, done. End cap on there, like this. Open that up, and they're on. Simple. End cap. Boom. Done. Now we gotta get these little bolts in there. There. Goes down a little bit. Slide that on like that. Get your Sensus logo nice and straight there. Make sure that make sure these are all good. Just taking these down. Don't over tighten these. You'll strip those bolts because they're 2.5s. So just snug them down. Like that. Oh my god, dude. Woo! Liking them. Liking these a lot. Same thing on this side. Just snug it down. Whew. Yo. Looking good, looking clean. That's sick. So that's the install. These things are awesome. They feel great already, and absolutely can't wait to get out on the trail with these and actually test them for sure. But right off the bat, super grippy, comfortable, great diameter. The flange is not huge like I thought it was going to be, which is a plus. I love the Sensus end caps. I love that they're dual lock-on, and yeah, they're very, very comfortable. They're a good width, just enough room, not too small, not too big. Fits perfect. And the bonus is if you run the Andreo model, this is the Boss, you don't have to move your levers or change anything up. You can just slap these on and rip. So love them. So that's the unbox, my first impressions, and yeah, they're on and ready to go. So I'm gonna break these things in good. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.
Look at the grid.